Welcome back, my friends, and happy Monday. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. Today's job leads are very exciting. They are from the famous chocolate company Hershey. So we will not waste any time. We will just dive on in. I am sharing 4 different positions that they have open today. So of course the links to everything are in the description box below. But within the 4 positions I have to share with you today, if you are into copywriting or analytics in any way, this is for you. First up, we have a senior analyst for the data strategy. Now, it does say this position is 100% remote, and they are basically looking for someone to be responsible for developing and maintaining the multi-year strategic plans for data impacting Hershey's commercial business team. So you'll work closely with their commercial business teams to establish reusable patterns and architectures that support the internet connected and evolving data landscape. You'll work on policies and governance and partner with legal teams to develop comprehensive policies that cover organization, storage, and access to sensitive or confidential commercial data. So they are looking for someone who has excellent written and verbal communication skills, someone who can have a proven track record of working with medium-sized teams, someone who is familiar with cloud database or data warehouses, someone who has great analytical skills, and someone who has some project management skills. Now, as far as education, they are wanting someone who has a bachelor degree in business, computer science, finance, information systems, or the engineering field. Now, of course, pay is not listed. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, I will go through these positions quickly since there is so many of them, but next up they are hiring a copywriter for their digital process. Now, the digital content copywriter will develop best-in-class and search engine optimized written copy for their online retail partners that drives discoverability and conversation. They are specifically looking for someone to write copy for their product content, ordered content, including naming conventions, legal guidelines, and keyword density. And you'll also be reviewing and editing content from their agency partners. This position does require 2 years of copywriting experience writing and editing content for e-commerce websites, high attention to detail, someone who is highly organized, and they do want someone who has a bachelor degree. They also have a digital librarian analyst position open. The digital librarian analyst is responsible for visual content auditing and managing the asset lifecycle across their digital content portfolio. You'll be building and unbundling images and publishing to the HASDAM author. You'll enrich image metadata. You'll document and develop enhanced folder structure for their digital images, and you'll troubleshoot and ticket manage as needed. They do want someone who's experienced with visual content systems like Adobe, someone who has knowledge of tagging or metadata, someone who is great in Microsoft Excel, someone who is a problem solver and organized and very detailed. Now, this position also requires a bachelor degree. And they also have an analyst of digital content operations. This is just a tiny bit different from the librarian, but it is still working with the bundling, unbundling of images, requires all the same things, knowledge of the visual content systems, the tagging, Excel, and they want a bachelor degree also. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.